fun. It's fun. It's fun.
Here I am using the new M12 Fuel Bandsaw, the 2529-20. I have it married to a 6 amp hour battery and just cutting some half-inch GMT, and then I'm going to transition over to 1-inch unistrut, which is solid, and it seems to be cutting through both of the materials pretty sweet. One thing I like is it's lightweight. It has a hook that will allow me to hang it from my ladder or rafters. I really cannot wait to use this thing in the field. This is just a little demonstration, and that's it. Thank you for listening.